My name is Chris Perry. I own a company called Wood and Weld Furniture, and we've been doing this for about 10 years now. I felt like I had to start developing content pretty much immediately when I started Wood and Weld because this business is such a visual thing. But for the first few years, I was just getting by on my cell phone, and then I upgraded to a basic DSLR, and I basically just got by, and it was okay. But in 2020, we reached out to Evok, and it made a huge difference for our business. Basically, we went from a serviceable website to one people comment on now, in the photos and the video especially, that Ryan at Evok did for us. It's night and day, the difference. Content is totally essential for the business I'm in. There is no way whatsoever that I could do what I do without good photos. I could build the nicest stuff on earth, and unless you can show it to the people who, unless you can get everybody to come see it in person, which of course, that's not gonna happen without them seeing it online. I can't run an ad without a good photo. I can't tell the story of what we do without good photos. For us, content is integrated in our marketing and sales kind of throughout. Every touch has some media attached. We don't do a ton of content posting as such for generating leads and sales, but we do post, and our Instagram is like our portfolio, right? If you're in my business and you don't have a good, relatively deep Instagram account with good work on it, that's a bad thing. People will see an ad that I post. Certainly that's gonna have pictures and or video, and then they make it to the website, which has our longer video that Evok did for us. We interface with them via email or text, and then I end up sending them examples. So clear throughout, all of our past work and the photos and pictures thereof are part of the process. The brand film that Evok did for us has been killer. It's the first thing you see when you get to our website, and people are always commenting on my website. It's a huge thing. It tells the story really well. I don't have exact data, but I have the visceral sense that it really makes the difference. People see my work, they think it's good, then they come on into the website, they see that video, and then they know us a little bit. It tells a lot of our story really beautifully and in a short amount of time. So I think, it's not like I have conversion data exactly, but I'm pretty confident. I wouldn't want to go without it, I'll tell you that much. For anybody looking into Evok, I recommend wholeheartedly. They really know what they're doing, and they make you look great. Go check out our website. It's woodandweldfurniture.com, and you can see the brand video they did for us. And that was in the smallest shop I've ever had. It was when we first moved. He just makes it look like a palace of creation and magic. So, highly recommend. They're good people, and they know what they're about.